I'm here at the Hanoi. This is the restaurant. Look, very aesthetic. Very aesthetic, guys. Very nice. Look, the design is very nice. Look. Look at the painting. It's very creative, guys. You know, this is... Wait. Nice. It's nice, guys. The design is very nice. Very. What the? Anong name ng restaurant?
Confetti. Cafe.
Confetti. Yummy food. Guys, ang sarap ng fried rice dito. Very,
Panalo.
panalo talaga yung fried rice dito, guys.